Okay, welcome to the personal property tour for Kildonan, Kennoway Road in Windygates. This is an amazing 2-bedroom mid-terrace property. If you're wanting space, it's got it. It's got an upstairs and downstairs bathroom and shower room, and it's got plenty of storage space inside as well. Let me take you on the tour. Immediately, what I noticed though is it's elevated from the main road. So it's a perfect prime position, especially for your views when you get up the top. Even from this porch and sun area to the front. It's a nice seating area overall. And as we go in, I actually feel the heat in here. It's absolutely roasting. And right in here, and you'll see it looks all the way over to Levens. So it's a prime position for sitting in the sun and relaxing. Again, as we go into on my left-hand side, we have a good size. Now, this could be a good sized double bedroom quite easily. To the front here. They've currently got it as a lounge, as you'll see. But you could have it as a bedroom with a couple of adjustments. It would be perfect for that. So one level living could be possible because you've got a dining kitchen, you've also got a shower room off the back, and you've got your sitting room in here. I love that ceiling actually, it's really nice. It's nicely done. And that roasty toasty fire over there. And then as I said, these windows, you can get the views right over there. So I can see right over. I can actually see in the background there, I can see the turbine at Buckhaven. But we'll see a bit more about that in a minute. Let's pop upstairs and have a look up. If there's one thing this has got, again, as I said, it's storage. Storage cupboard downstairs. As we go upstairs, and here, that's a massive walk-in cupboard. There's another walk-in cupboard. Boilers in there as well, wall-mounted combi in there. And then you've got your bathroom upstairs, shower room downstairs as I said, and we'll show that in a minute. So you can see your bathroom up here, and then your main bedroom up here. Windows to either side brings in a lot of natural light in here. I'm going to show you these views. And the other thing as well, this is actually a big massive walk-in cupboard here. And you could hang your clothes in there quite easily. It goes all the way back. And then off to the side into the eaves, there's a massive storage area in there as well. Okay, let's zoom. And on here as we go right over, there's the turbine, the wind turbine over in Buckhaven. This is the views. It's got a great view over here as we go over here. There's a wind turbine, Buckhaven. I obviously got my bearings a bit different. There's the one in Methil at the dock, so you can see. And actually, I think I saw Berwick Law right there. See that? In the distance, that's Berwick Law. So it shows you how far it goes in your views. And you can just see over to the edge of the new housing development over there at Muir and over towards Levens. It's got to be an epic area. Down here, next to the river, so you've got a river that runs all the way down there. There's a path on the other side of there and these trees, which is perfect for dog walking or cycling, mountain biking or running. And you can go all the way back up towards Diageo, or you can go all the way down towards the dam. Okay, let's have a wee look more at this bedroom and a sneak peek out the back garden. As we see, I'm going to talk about that when I get to the back, about that off-street parking potentially at the back there. But there it is there. The sun is teeming down on here. It is the ideal location for this. Let me just take you down and we'll have a wee quick look at the dining kitchen and then the shower room before we go out. So, good sized dining kitchen in here, perfect for this type of house. Dishwasher into there. You come round and you've got space for a washing machine, you can see that, and you've got your oven hob extractor, and you've got an integrated fridge and freezer in here, and space easily for your dining table area. Off to the rear here, we have the shower room, so this is the one downstairs, and you've got a thermostatic shower over here, and cubicle, and you've got your WC, which is perfect. Let's nip out the back garden now. Now this sun is absolutely glorious out here. So out here as we go, now we're sitting at 1:30, sun is right there, and it's right on this garden overall as we come round. Perfect seating area, because as that's coming round, it'll come round all the way around there, and it's probably going to set over somewhere there. It's going to be sitting on here all the time. And this is all nice and enclosed once you get down to this sort of level, because you've got the fences either side. Split level garden as it raises up into here. This is all quite low maintenance. You can see there's a lot of paving here. You do have your greenhouse there as well, but a lot of bedding areas where you could actually put your plants in that. I've got a funny feeling these roses are going to come out beautifully in the summertime. So, you know, that just needs a wee bit of TLC, and that'll be absolutely gorgeous. So here's the rear of the property. A bit like a TARDIS, isn't it? You saw it from the front and you thought, yeah, it's okay. And then you see it from the back and you think, wow, there's a huge amount of space there. And then perfectly positioned off into the rear here, I've got a nice area there as well. Could have a feature in here. You've got this sunroom to the rear, which is ideal. You know, stating the obvious by saying for sitting in the sun. But what about that? This is a morning place, because there it is there, there's the sun, we're sitting at 1:30 as I said. So morning it's going to come up there, and it's going to be teeming on the back of this garden. And then, so literally it's on here at some point in time all day. By the nature of sun comes up, you're over here, and then as it comes round, you're moving down towards the back of the house, towards the evening, so you're capitalising the sun all the time. Let me talk about this back wall actually, subject to permission. Somebody's done this already. If you zoom in there, you'll see that monoblock drive, just through the fence there, and they've not got the wall there anymore. So there's a wee driveway up to the rear here, which can give you, and it goes into dead end there. But actually, potential to take this wall away, because somebody's done it already. Potential, the precedent has already been set with this, to take that away, potentially to get off-street parking here if that's what you want, so you can get it off the front of the road there. Okay, let's recap. Look at these beautiful blue skies. Let's recap. 2-bedroom mid-terrace property, elevated, upstairs bathroom, downstairs shower room, dining kitchen. You've got this beautiful back garden, potential for off-street parking there as well. Sits in the sun all day long. Now, there's more details on this post. If you want to click on the link above or below, you can see the photographs, you can see the descriptions as well. If you need to contact us, you can message us direct on this post, or you can contact us on 01333 421 774. And until next time guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.